Alright, so you ever design something in Canva, it looks amazing, and then after downloading it looks blurry or low quality. Yeah, that's a super common mistake. In 2026, exporting properly is just as important as designing, so let's fix that step by step. First, pick the right format. If it's an image, use PNG. If it's a document, use PDF. If it's a video, use MP4. Simple rule, but it makes a huge difference. When exporting images, always choose high quality or maximum resolution. This keeps your design sharp and clean, especially for social media or printing. If your design includes logos, posters, or social media posts, PNG is your best option. It keeps edges sharp and colors clean. If you're printing posters, flyers, or business cards, use PDF print. This gives you the highest possible resolution for print quality. For videos, always choose MP4 in HD quality. This ensures smooth playback without compression issues. Before exporting, double-check your canvas size. Wrong dimensions can make your design look stretched or pixelated. Don't re-upload or re-download your design multiple times. Each time you compress it, quality drops slightly. If you're exporting logos or elements, enable transparent background. This lets you place your design anywhere without a white box behind it. Always preview your exported file. Zoom in, check sharpness, and make sure everything looks clean. Different platforms need different settings. Instagram, PNG or MP4 printing, PDF print. Web, optimized PNG. So yeah, that's how you export high-quality designs in Canva. Honestly, great design means nothing if the export is bad. So take these extra few seconds, and your work will always look professional.